ya. I'm starting with you today. Here you go. There you go. Hi, how's my sweetheart? Hi, good morning. Some fresh chicken. Oh, I will come. You okay? She was in her box when I opened the door, so maybe she's just a little more spooky than normal. Hi, baby girl. Hi. Hi. I smell like chicken. I just wanted to check and see how much more base plate room I had, and a full plate and a half a plate, or another building the size of the museum that's a plate and a half long. I was trying to decide if I wanted to build the police station, which is a regular base plate size, or I'm trying to remember the name of the other one. I just can't remember it right now, but anyway, it's wider, and I think that's how wide it is. So the answer is I could put either one of them here, but if I do choose the smaller one, then I'm going to have to do like some sort of a half building or have figures of some sort on the shelf. I was just trying to decide as far as what to build on next. And of course, a mock of some sort and not a kit is an option. I've got the two buildings in here, the art school and the Grand Hotel, the friend sets that I want to make into bigger buildings. So those are an option as well. I think the Grand Hotel one is not quite as wide. It's a weird width. It's not 32. So I wonder if I could check it out, if it would actually fit in this space, which I'm going to guess this is 16. So I'm going to guess another 8 to go over there. So like 24 wide. It would work for, I think it would fit as a 24 wide. So I'll have to give it a little thought. They're all going to get built sometime. Hi, guys. Hello. Hi, I'm coming. Hi. So it's 30 degrees cooler than yesterday. Seriously. As crazy as that sounds. And we did have about 4/10 of an inch of rain last night and this morning. Come on, Tux. Can you come up, buddy? Can I help you? You gonna come? I just like for you to get out of the fray. There you go. Come on, Morris. There you go, buddy. Good morning. Good morning. And of course, now it's Marty. The food's going in the cat hotel because it might rain some more and I don't want it to get wet. Hi, Stripe. Stripe's like, I don't put myself in that fray, Mom. Oh, look. There is the tag with rain on it. We'll just stop filming and try that again. Well, what do you know? There's the tag with rain on it. I guess my only concern would be frost freeze, because there was some texture on the outer part. I wonder if water can get in the texture. Hopefully not. All right. Well, they can come in there and eat because, you know, I don't want it to get wet. But it does confuse Stripe. He's like, I don't know, Mom. Do I need to show you where your food is? Hi. 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 So last night there was god-awful racket for like 90 minutes even. I'm pretty sure it was mating raccoons again. I knew where all of my guys were. Tux was up here. Morris was in there, and the other two were in the house. It wasn't my guys. And I'm pretty sure it was raccoons. But oh my God, you'd have thought somebody was dying. Yep, I don't think we're gonna see the sun today. Well, we're out here on this fine, wonderful day.
Yeah. Hopefully we won't get wet.
We returned a bunch of wash gloves and a sweatshirt that was laying about. That truck there says explosives, so when we hear the dynamite in a little while, we'll know. And they don't have the thing across, so we don't see any reason we can't go. We felt so out of shape yesterday that we just got to get back with this elevation over here. We got our weight vests on even though it's cold. They actually help keep you warm a little bit. It's like having an extra, well, vest. I wanted a little elevation. I've got it. With extra 10-pound weight vents. Well, it's 16 if we add the rest of the weights. I only have 10 pounds in it. It defaults to 10 and you can add up to 4 more pounds, which I have not done. Come here. Hi. Tux is enjoying helping me weed. I was weeding. Stripe's in the house so he can walk around, and he's just been hanging on the wall, and I pull a few more weeds. I got a dirty hand. I pull a few more weeds, and then I scratch his head, and then I pull a few more weeds, and it's been a really nice few minutes with my buddy. So Assembly Square was the name of the other Lego kit that I was trying to remember. I've had it since it came out, and I just haven't put it together because, as you know, I was building all of these mocks, my own creations, non-Lego official kits, but with real Lego pieces, other stuff. Anyway, I haven't seen anything that I wanted to do with this instead, and I'm just going to build it as is out of the box, and it will fit next to the museum. So that's probably what I'm going to do. Since it's 4,002 pieces, I'm going to guess there's over 30 bags in there, and there's probably a box within a box again. What do you think, Stripe? Huh? What do you think, Stripe? You going to help build? You're going to try to chew a few pieces. You're going to try to block the counter so that Mom can't, can't build and can attention you instead. You're a sweet boy. Yes, you are. Okay. Didn't mean to offend the sensibilities there. I thought it would be worth looking at the backside for a minute. Kind of a nice elevation layer level build view there. This was a 10th anniversary of Modular Buildings 1. So that's kind of cool. And, you know, it's showing it next to some of the older buildings. I don't have any of these. This was the brick, what they called the brick bank. It's an older set. I got Stripe in my hand again. Yeah, it tells you the numbers 10251, 10246. I don't have those. It's okay. If I ever come across them, great. And if I really need them, I'll stick build them from scratch. And it is showing up here, though, some of the inside scenes. So it's going to be really awesome. I was right about the box within a box. This is what was loose. It looks like bag numbers 4, 5, and 6. And I'm guessing what's in here is 1, 2, and 3. So instead of 33 bags, it's going to look like there's just 6 bag numbers. I'll have to count the number of bags in a minute. So here's 3, here's 2, there's 1. There's the 32 by 32 base plate, the 16 by 32, which is going to make it 48 by 32. It's the same width as the museum, and this one extra plate for somewhere. Wow. I'll have to ask David if some of the bigger sets he did were like this, because I've never seen this many bags per bag number in one set before, like ever. It'll make it harder, right? Because you're basically going to have to open all of bag 5 when you're building bag 5. You're not going to know which bag to open, so you have a lot more parts out at one time. I have to say it's probably a slightly less easy build. I mean, it is supposed to be, this one marked Creator Expert, or I know it said 16 plus. Yeah, Creator Expert. But still, I mean, can I build it? Absolutely. Am I gonna think it's awesome? Well, maybe not quite as much. So let's see how many bags. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. That's going to be right, plus or minus a couple. That was just a quick, but yeah, wow. Okay, so like I said, it's the same size as the museum. It's just bagged a little different. And one other interesting thing about this box, and again, it's the 10th anniversary edition. They've pretty much stopped doing this now, but trying to see which way was right side up. It's this way. They put all of the parts in the entire set. And how many of each part here on the side of the box, which was quite the undertaking for such a large set. Wow. Well, there are all the parts from bags numbered bag 1. And this is how it shows laying the 2 pieces out. The 16 by 32 is on the right. That's all the parts from bags numbered 1. I took about an hour and 5 minutes. That went on really quick, but all the tiles are really easy to push on. It doesn't hurt your fingers. It's nice and smooth. They just go on super easy. So, and I think the parts for the bags numbered 1 was less than any of the other bags. So I'm just saying I don't expect the rest of the parts to all go that smooth, but that was pretty cool. And I'm not going to do any more of it today because I'm going to let it, savor the build for a little while.